To clean out your load hose, you would have done that without turning this valve off. Let me talk about cleaning out the load hose. We've got it slowed down to about 40 gallons per minute. It's in the forward position. We're still loading hose A up through the F valve. We're done loading. The guy at the tanker is telling me that it's okay to unhook the load hose. I'll keep this turning 20 to 40 gallons per minute in the forward position. I'll run back, walk back carefully to the back. This valve at that point is open. I've got it closed now so we don't make a mess. But the guy on the tanker is going to loosen up his end of the load hose, and we're going to suck air into the load hose. Once that load hose starts jumping up and down, it's empty, it's cleared out. You can close this valve, go back to the load outside, hit the red button that shuts all the valves, turn that off, pump speeds to 0, put the pump selector to neutral so it's not moving forward or reverse.